Alright guys, so we're going to go through and solve systems of equations by graphing. So main idea is to get and solve the variables for y, or get the equation solved for y, and then we're going to do y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form. Plot the y-intercept, graph the slope. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at number 1 here. So we're going to blow up this here, solve this one for y here. So we got a couple steps we got to do. We got to go through and subtract 4x to both sides. And we get negative y equals negative 4x minus 1. And then this is still a negative right out here out front, so we got to be careful with that. Since that's still negative, we want to take and divide everything by negative 1. And then our final equation is y equals positive 4x plus 1. Right, so that's one of the equations we have solved for. Then we go ahead and solve the second equation, which I have here in green. We're going to take and add x to both sides because we have x's on opposite sides here, so we've got to get them combined together. So we're going to add, and if you want, you can say it's 1x and adding 1x, so that way it might help you out. That's going to cancel each other out. We're going to get positive y is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2x minus 5. So we have two equations here. We're going to graph each of them, and then we're going to see if they intersect. So the blue one, we're going to go up to positive 1. And I'm just going to use every dash here is 1. So we're going to go up to positive 1. Our slope was 4x, or sorry, it's just the 4 out in front of the x. So we're going to go rise 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and run 1. And then do your best to connect the lines. And we can go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and backwards 1 to help us out a little bit more connecting straight lines. That's not very good, but it'll do. And then now we're going to go graph the green line. Our equation of the green line was y equals 2x minus 5. So we're going to start out at negative 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go up 1, 2 over 1, up 1, 2 over 1, up 1, 2 over 1. As you can see, we're looking for the point of intersection, and what a lot of you guys will see is when you draw your line, oh, they're not going to hit anywhere up here. Okay? What you have to do is keep extending your lines out. And again, this line is going to come back down here, and eventually they're going to cross. Okay? So the directions say solve each system of equations by graphing, which we did. If there is a solution, we're going to circle it. And you're going to do your best. Sometimes it doesn't work out very nice. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. That's just the way it is. So for right now, for today's assignment, I just want you circling where the point of intersection is. Don't worry about where it says checking your solution. We're not going to worry about that today. We just want to solve for y and graph. So number 2 is going to be nice because it's all y equals mx plus b already. Number 3 is going to be kind of tricky. Right? So you're going to have to subtract the 2x, divide by negative 1, add the 2x, divide by negative 1. Alright, well, let's go here, and I don't know, for some reason the video didn't pop up, but that's alright. We can make it pop up here. Alright, so now 5 through 7 say solve the system by graphing, which we're going to do. Tell if it has 1, infinitely many, and no solutions. Just remember, one solution is if they cross. Infinitely many was when they were the same equation. No solution is when they were parallel, so they have the same slope, different y-intercepts. So I'm just going to take here one of these graph the first one here. Y on number 5, y equals 2x minus 1. I'm going to go down 1. And my slope is 2, so I'm going to go up 1, 2 over 1, plot a point, up 1, 2 over 1. I can go down 2, backwards 1, down 2, backwards 1, and then graph that line, connect the dots. That one wasn't so bad. And then take our second equation here, and we're going to solve this for y. So there's no x on this side, so you just want to go through and divide everything by 3. Y equals 6 divided by 3 is 2x, and then 5/3 is not quite 2, right? 6 divided by 3 is 2. 5 divided by 3 is 1.666 repeating. So you might be asking, how do I graph this? Oh my gosh, it's a fraction. What do I do? Again, all you're doing is plotting approximately where it is, and you're just seeing if there's a solution or not. So we would go up to 1.6 repeating, which is going to be in between 1 and 2. It's not going to be exact. Then we'll go up 1, 2 spots from there over 1. Go up 1, 2 spots from there over 1. Go down 1, 2 spots and over 1. And then down 1, 2 spots over 1. It's approximation. Are these lines going to cross? What do you think? How do I know? Oh, I don't know why it's doing that. Alright, there we go. Alright. Are they going to cross? One solution, no solution, infinitely many? I know right away that they're not going to cross, because slope is 2, slope is 2, ain't going to cross. So we would say, in this case, no, whoops, probably should put the pen on, no solutions. Alright, so the main idea is to just practice solving for y, getting the graph, just trying to find out if they intersect or not. So usually add or subtract the x value, divide by the y value is usually the rules that we're going by. And those of you that worked hard yesterday, appreciate it. Got to see a lot of names turning some assignments in, so hopefully you're good for the sub yesterday, and I'm hoping you're doing the same, and keep working hard, and I'll see you on Friday. Have a good night.